Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to embed form ConvertKit in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to embed form using form code. Now go to dashboard. Now you see this is our form and then you see publish. So click on it and now pop-up open and then you see embed this form and also you see WordPress. So click on it. Now you see embed using WordPress. If you want, you can install plugin, or if you want, you can use the shortcode. Now copy code, go to page, now paste and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see form is embedded in WordPress using form code. Now go to dashboard. When we click on publish, then embed this form pop-up open and then you see WordPress, so click on it and then you can use this shortcode anywhere you want in WordPress website. You can add in post, page, anywhere you want. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.